Friends, today I am going to cook an innovative recipe, tender jack masala, Kathal Masala or Idichakka Masala. It's another recipe tastier than your meat curry. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. I have some around 1 kg of tender jack. Cut this into the small piece like this. Five small onions. Add some water. Red chilies, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, star anise, nutmeg, dry ginger, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, black pepper, finally some fennel seeds, tomato, garlic, roasted peanuts, ginger. Grind this all into the paste. 2 tablespoons coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt according to taste. Heat one pan and add some water. Let it boil. Add this onion, bay leaf, some salt. Add this powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Grinded paste. Maybe you people are thinking why I am doing this in water. When we put spices and onion in a hot oil, water from the onion with oil evaporate and go up, that directly go to our lungs and can make cause in our lungs side. This is the way of healthy cooking. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil. Add the green chilies. Let cook these spices well. Add this tender jack. Mix well. Add some more water. Little more water. Salt. Cover this and cook for 10 minutes. Make sure in a simmer flame. Yes, it's cooked softly. It's looking soft, and now add some butter, curry leaf, little more oil, mix together and cook another 5 minutes in sim flame. Yes, it's cooked well. Now add tatka on it. Clarified butter or desi ghee. Mustard seed. Garlic. Ginger. Coriander seeds. Onions, curry leaf, red chilies. Dear friends, if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest innovative recipes. If you enable all button, you get immediately when I uploaded my videos. Thank you.